Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm gonna show you this reversible datacom charging cable. It's a braided cable. It's from a company Inkax. Okay, so MRP is 699, but it's available at less. You can check the link in the description. So here is the original sticker. Quick charge and data sync to dual-sided USB cable, lighting, blah 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 blah. Lots of stuff written on it. Let's unbox it. Okay, pretty nice cable. So here is it. Both the ports are reversible. Means you can use it on either side. It's a braided cable, so nice material. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, go ahead and please subscribe it, and I will show you this how it works. Okay, so here is a power bank. So works like this, and on the other side also. Now this works like this, and on the other side also. So you don't have to see what is the right position to insert the cable. You just take the cable and put it, it will work. Put it, it will work. So my phone is charging on this dual reversible cable. You can see the maximum is 2390. It's the same as the standard cable of my phone, so I can use this instead this, as it's reversible, so it's also convenient. Also it's durable and pretty long cable. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel Techy Indian. Hope you see you in my next video.